Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here, and welcome to the Undecorate for Christmas and Clean With Me video. I've been so excited for this one. It's actually Christmas Day today. I know, I'm crazy, but these things have been up since the 1st of November, so it's time for them to come down, and since we've had such a chill Christmas day, I figured why not do it now. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed and join our little community. But let's just get straight into it. I'm going to start with the tree.
Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it up to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really
be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. We could be gazing at the stars, but now it feels just like I wandered off into a room and closed the door behind me. I never gave the key to you, even though I wanted to. I should be trying something new, but now my body's aching. I'm tired of dwelling in the dark, it's just that my heart can't take it. I didn't know what it would cost me when I let you go. I feel alone, and I'm just singing, It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you. I could be driving to your place, but now the ground is shaking. Could be a phase, but it feels like it will never go away until we make up. I can't be myself. I never knew how much I needed you. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do, 'cause it should have been you. It should have been you. I could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. You could have been the one who made me feel home. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Ooh.
I obviously need to get out all our regular decor. I didn't have time to go get that out today, but we'll do that in another video. It's kind of weird seeing it all so bare, but it's a really nice change because I just need to go back to normality. But like I said, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe and join our little community. But with all that said, I'll see you back here in a few days with a brand new video. Bye!